Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your M-Audio Oxygen Pro Mini to FL Studio. First, connect your Oxygen Pro Mini to your computer using a standard USB cable. Next, on your Oxygen Pro Mini, press and hold the preset or DAW button. Then, use the encoder located directly below the OLED screen to scroll through the options until you find FL Sync, which stands for FL Studio. Press the encoder to select it, confirming your choice. Now let's move to FL Studio. Open the software and go to the Options menu, then select MIDI Settings. In the Input section, you will see your Oxygen Pro Mini listed. Make sure to enable it and set its controller type to Generic Controller. Additionally, locate MIDI 3 Oxygen Pro Mini in the input list. Enable this entry as well and set its controller type to Mackie Control Universal for full DAW control. To ensure proper communication, you need to configure the MIDI ports. For the MIDI 3 Oxygen Pro Mini, input, set its port number to 1. Then in the output section of the MIDI settings, enable MIDI Out 3 Oxygen Pro Mini and also set its port number to 1. It is crucial that both the input and output ports match. Finally, on your Oxygen Pro Mini, press and hold the tempo button and set the clock synchronization to external. With all settings configured, it's time to test your setup. Play some notes on your Oxygen Pro Mini's keyboard and pads to ensure they trigger sounds within FL Studio. Check that the fader's control mixer track volumes and the knobs adjust panning or other assigned parameters. You should now have seamless control over your music production, allowing you to create with ease and efficiency. Happy music making!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.